Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to enable light theme on Windows 10. And before I start, make sure you enable the subtitles on my videos to understand a bit of what I say. And first of all, this video is gonna be really short. I'm sorry about that, but I don't have the time to make something big today. And do not worry, there will be a video tomorrow. I do not know what video yet. And yeah, let's get started. To change the light theme, this is really simple. Just go to start and then settings, and then go up here personalization, then go to colors, and where it says here choose your color from dark, change it to light. And this will take about 5 seconds or so to change the light theme. And yeah, as you can see, here's the light theme. I do not know why people like this. Maybe that's how they like their windows, but I prefer it dark. You can also change it to custom if you want to. You can change the colors of the app, as it says here. Choose your default Windows mode and choose your default app mode. You can change it to these both colors, but I'm gonna leave the color too dark because that's the one that I like. And yeah, that's the video guys. Thanks for watching. As I said in the intro, and sorry if that was a really short video, but I didn't have time to make something big because I'm in a hurry right now. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.